Alright, well, let's get back working on this thing. So, I guess the next step is pretty much going to be start working on the rockers. And then once we have that in, then we can weld everything in at once and start grinding away and working on it. So, I guess let's work on that quick. I did take off the doors earlier, so I'll throw that video in quick, and then let's just get right started on these rockers.
Hailing outside.
Alright, well, I gotta go get something to eat, so I'm really happy with this. We got quite a bit of welding done today, and both these two little rocker pieces are in. I just gotta finish welding up this one side, and then I gotta grind these, and I gotta weld underneath. And then we just have the passenger side rocker to do. So we're getting pretty close, but we'll just keep on working on it. I'm not sure if I'll get back at it tonight, but we'll try. Well, I'm back. It's pretty late, but we gotta keep working on this thing. So let's just get right back working on it. I guess I'm going to leave this now, I'll weld it in later, and let's just start working on the passenger side. Is the next night, and we need to get a little bit of work done on this, so let's at least try to get this tacked in place before we head to bed, and possibly try to put on these two side doors, see how they fit, and make sure everything lines up good, but let's at least try to tack this thing in. Perfect. I like it. Alright, well, I'm really happy with it. They're looking really good. So I guess now it's just time to take these things back off. Well, everything on these things is lining up quite well. Down on the bottom, just about perfect. It looks like these doors aren't quite the same, but they're very close. And this door seems to be a little, I adjusted this so it was flat up top. Now it looks like it's indented a tiny bit here. So it looks like something's just a little bit off on that. But other than that, this bottom line is pretty much perfect. So I'm really happy with that. We do have a few little dings here, here, a few different things we're gonna fix, and a couple on these doors like this right up here. Want to fix all that to make sure these things are as good as possible when we repaint it. But other than that, everything is looking quite good. Alright, well, the doors are back off. I'm quite happy with it, but it is really late. I need to get to bed because I gotta be up early. So I guess let's just stop for now, and we'll hopefully get back working on it tomorrow. Alright, well, I am really happy with the progress we've made, but I have a lot of just grinding and welding to do, so I'm gonna try to knock that out, and then we'll move on to putting on Bondo and body filler. But I guess that's going to be the end of this video. If you want to like and subscribe, that would be a big encouragement to me. Also, leave a comment down below with anything you'd like to see in the future or anything I could do better. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.